The big game is coming up, and maybe you've decided to host a party at your house, or maybe you're going to do a tailgate. Either way, this pig shot recipe is real easy to do. It's pretty quick, and it'll make you the star of your football party. We're going to start off by cutting this sausage. You can pick any sausage that you like, pick your favorite. We're going to cut them pretty small. I'd say this is about a 1/2 inch. Nice little bite sizes. And again, you can pick whatever sausage you like. I'm going with andouille. Next, get yourself a few slices of thick cut bacon. Cut it right down the center. Pro tip, it'll be easier to cut and handle the bacon if you freeze it for a little bit. When it sits out at room temperature for a little bit, the bacon becomes a little bit harder to slice. So I'm just gonna get myself some slices here. And so what we want to do is we just want to take each slice of bacon here and wrap it around the sausage. Get your toothpick. Stick it all the way through. The toothpick will help hold it all together. Here I'm just trying to open up that top a little bit because this is where the pig shot filling is going to go, right on top. Alright, barbecue family, we've got our pig shots ready. I know some of them look much better than the others, but this is backyard barbecue. So the next step is what really makes this recipe special. This is what really takes everything over the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to top each one of these pig shots with a cream cheese filling, but it's not just regular cream cheese. I've added some stuff to it to really kick it up a few notches. So in my cream cheese mixture is some green chilies, some shredded cheese, use whatever is your favorite. I added a tablespoon of chili powder. And then, this is barbecue. And some of you guys told me about this wonderful rub by Blues Hog. It's their sweet and savory. So I'm gonna use that to really give it that barbecue taste. Appreciate you guys for the tip. This is some great stuff. Mixed it all together, and we're just gonna use a little scooper, spoon, whatever you have available, and top these off. I've got my Mac 1-star General retrofitted with the flame zone up to 350 degrees. If you have an older Mac pellet smoker that you still haven't retrofitted yet, click the link above to check out a video to see just how easy it is to install it. But you can do this on any smoker. I picked the pellet smoker because I just wanted something that would be easy to maintain at 350 degrees. So here we have our pig shots. So I'm gonna let these go at 350 degrees for about 45 to 60 minutes. Actually, I'm probably gonna let them go closer to 60 because I like my bacon to be, I mean, they're not gonna be super crispy, but I like my bacon to be cooked through and through. So I'm gonna go let them go for 60 minutes before I check them out. And again, you can do this on any smoker, any grill. Just need something that's going to be easy to keep at 350 degrees consistently. So for a cook like this, I recommend the pellet smoker, but you could use another grill of choice. All right, the bacon shots have been on for 1 hour. So let's take a look at what we got. And basically, you just want to keep them on until that bacon has cooked to a level of doneness that you're comfortable with. This looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and take it inside and get a better look. I've let these pig shots rest for about 10 minutes, and I can't wait to bite into one to see how it tastes. This one right here is calling my name. So let's see what we got. Oh my goodness, guys, it's like an explosion of flavor. Do yourself a favor. If you haven't tried pig shots, do this. You will be the hit at your tailgate or if you're hosting for the big game. I'm telling you, everyone will love you if you make something like this. These pig shots are just incredible. I mean, you already know the sausage and the bacon is gonna taste good, but really that cream cheese kicked up recipe really takes this over the top. So again, give this a try. The hardest thing about it is just the prep, a little bit tedious, you know, wrapping the bacon around each piece of sausage. That's kind of the tedious part. But once you finish the prep, everything else is really easy. Again, get your grill up to 350 degrees, hold temperature for 45 minutes to 1 hour until you get the bacon, you know, how you want it. This is how I like mine. So this was 1 hour. Again, hold that temperature, and in 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour, you're gonna have some delicious bite-sized treats. You won't regret it. All right, this is Kenyatta Robinson. Thank you for joining me on my Backyard Smokemaster Barbecue channel. Check back in with me. I've got a lot of exciting things planned. Hopefully I'll be cranking out more content. Leave comments. Love hearing from you guys. Take care. See you in the next one.